Welcome, welcome back. Congratulations. You have completed your first week of 90-day English speaking course. የዘጠና ቀን ሰባተኛ ቀን ቱቶሪያል ላይ ነው ያለ ነው። During the last 6 sessions or lessons, you learned English alphabets, vowels, greetings, numbers, the day of the week, and how to introduce yourself. ይህንን እንግዲህ ተምራችኋል። Today is your review day. ዛሬ ደግሞ የክለሳ ቀን ነው። Don't worry. If you make mistakes help you learn. ስህተት ከሰራችሁም ስህተቶች እንድትማሩ ያደርጓቸዋል እንጂ ስህተት አይጎዳም። ስህተት ገንቢ ነው። ኖትቡካቸው ሬዲ አድርጉ። ፓውዝ the video whenever you need more time. መለሳችሁ ማየት ስትፈልጉ ቪዲዮአችሁን ፓውዝ አድርጋችሁ እንደገና ራሳችሁን በመገምገም አቅማችሁን ማየት ትችላላችሁ። Let's test your English alphabets. This is review of the last lesson. ያለፉ የትምህርቶች ሪቪው ነው፣ ክለሳ ነው። ጀስት ያያችሁትን የእንግሊዝኛ 26 አልፋቤቶች ናቸው። These are 26 English alphabets. You have learned the consonants plus vowels. These are animated English alphabets. Animated የሆነ የእንግሊሽ አልፋቤት ነው። This is capital A and the small a. This is capital B and the small b. This is capital C and the small c. And so on up to the small z and the capital Z. You remembered. ታስታውሳላችሁ። Vowels. The vowels are the 5 English alphabets that we have seen. A, E, I, O, U. The vowels are the sounds of English words. As we have said, vowels are letters that permit air to flow in our mouths when we talk. Let's say, for example, A. We don't touch our tongues with our jaw or our upper jaw or lower jaw. አናገናኝም። ስለዚህ ኤር በቀላሉ በአፋችን ውስጥ የሚመላለስበት የቃላት አጠራር ስንል በቫውልስ ነው ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ኤ ኢ አይ ኦ ዩ በሁሉም አየር በቀላሉ በአፋችን ውስጥ ይመላለሳል። but in the case of consonants it blocks the air flow in our mouth. ብሎክ ያደርጋል ማለት ነው። አየርን በቀላሉ አፋችን ውስጥ እንዳይመላለስ ብሎክ ያደርጋል በኮንሶናንት ኬስ። let's form nouns with vowels at the beginning of the nouns or words. A, apple. E, egg. I, aglon. O, orange. U, umbrella. You remembered? ታስታውሳላችሁ። Greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? I am fine. Thank you. Nice to meet you are greeting words. እነዚህ greeting words ናቸው። Simple English greetings. ቀላል የሆኑ የእንግሊዝኛ ግሪቲንጎች ወይም የሰላምታ አለዋወጥ። Hello. How are you? Hi. I am fine. Thank you. And you? I am good. Thank you for asking. This is simple greetings. Fill in the blank. Dash morning. What is the word missed from the dash? Dash morning. Good morning. The word missed from the dash. Dash morning. The missing word is good. Good morning. Question 2. How are dash? What is the meaning word? How are you? You is the missing word. How are dash? You is missing word or noun. How are you? You is filled on the gap. The answer is you. I dash fine. What is missed? I dash fine. what is needed on the dash? ዳሹ ላይ ምንድን ነው የሚፈለገው? I am fine. am is missed. Question 4. My dash is David. What is the missing word on the dash? My name is David. Question 5. I am dash Ethiopia. What is the missing word from this sentence? I am dash Ethiopia. I am from Ethiopia. From is the missing word or the missing proposition. Question 6. Monday comes before dash. Monday comes before dash. What is the day that Monday comes before? Monday. ሰኞ ከማን በፊት ነው? Tuesday is the day that the Monday comes before. Therefore, Monday comes before Tuesday. Tuesday is the missed day from the dash. The answer is Tuesday. Question 7. A, E, I, O, and the U are dash. What are these letters or alphabets? What is the answer? A, E, I, O, U are dash. They are what? They are vowels. They are vowels. Question 8. 1, 2, 3, dash. What is the next number? The next number is 4. 4. This lesson is not just to count numbers or to call alphabets or to tell words. It is also to learn pronunciation and spelling. ቃላቶችን ለመጥራት ወይም ቁጥሮችን ለመጥራት ብቻ ሳይሆን የዚህ ትምህርት ዋናው ዓላማ ስፔሊንጎቹን ለማጥናት ወይም በደንብ ለመያዝ እንደዚሁም ሁሉ ፕሮናንሴሽኖች አነባበባቸውን በደንብ ፕራክቲስ ለማድረግ ስለሆነ ጠቃሚ ነው ማለት ነው። Question 9. Dash is to meet you. Dash to meet you. What is missed from the dash? Dash to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice is missed from the phrase to meet you. Nice is the answer. Question number 10. Hello. Hello. My name dash Hannah. My name dash Hannah. What is missed from this phrase or sentence? Is missed. So the answer is. My name is Hannah. The answer is. Let's look this picture. What it indicates. Calendar, day 7. You are building your future. It says you are building your future. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday are days of the week. One more day closer to your goal. Countdown to success. Hours, minutes, seconds are all time counted for your success. Stay focused, keep learning, achieve greatness. Stay focused. ትኩረት ስጡ. Keep learning. ትምህርታችሁን ቀጥሉ. Achieve greatness. ትልቅነታችሁን አሳኩ ማለት ነው. Focus, learn, practice, and succeed አድርጉ ማለት ነው. You are stronger than you think. ከምታስቡ በላይ ጠንካሮች ናችሁ. Keep going. ቀጥሉ ማለት ነው. Speaking challenge. Speaking challenge ነው. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
I am fine.
I am fine.
My name is Dash የሚለው ላይ My name is Dash የራሳችሁን ስም ነው የምትሞሉት። I am Dash years old እድሜያችሁን ትሞላላችሁ። የየራሳችሁን I am from Dash ሀገራችሁን ነው የምትሞሉት። የየራሳችሁን Today is Dash የዛሬውን ቀን ትሞላላችሁ። Thank you. Goodbye. Repeat 3 times. ይህንን 3 ጊዜ በመደጋገም በሉት። What did you learn? ምን ተማራችሁ? Ask viewers to answer in the comment. ተመልካቾችን በኮሜንት ላይ በመጻፍ ጠይቁ። ኮሜንት these 5 things. እነዚህን 5 ነገሮች ኮሜንት አድርጉ። Your favorite English word? የእንግሊዝኛ የምትወዱትን ቃል። Your favorite greeting? ሰላምታ ስትሰጡ የምትወዱትን አይነት ሰላምታ አሰጣጥ your favorite day of the week የሳምንቱ የምትወዱትን ቀን your name in English ስማችሁን በእንግሊዝኛ one sentence introducing yourself አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ራሳችሁን የምታስተዋውቅበት example hello my name is Daniel I am from Ethiopia today is Friday nice to meet you በማለት ይህን 3 ጊዜ በማለት ተለማመዱ numbers ቁጥሮች count together 1 2 3 up to 10 እስከ 10 ያሉትን ቁጥሩ ስፔሊንጋችሁን ተለማመዱ just practice their spelling ብዙዎች የስፔሊንግ ስህተት ይሰራሉ but when you practice reading and writing you master this spelling and pronunciation እና ስፔሊንጋቸውን በደንብ ማስተር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ፕራክቲስ ስታደርጉ ማለት ነው ዋን ለምሳሌ ONE መሆኑን ሚስ የሚያደርጉ ይኖራሉ 2 TWO መሆኑን ሚስ የሚያደርጉ ይኖራሉ 3 THRE H ለምሳሌ እዚህ ጋር ባይኖር if H is missed from this name it becomes 3 ዛፍ ይሆናል ማለት ነው 3 የሚለው 3 ቁጥር መሆኑን ቀርቶ 3 ብሎ ዛፍ ይሆናል 4 you missed ቢሆን 4 proposition ይሆናል ማለት ነው ለ የሚለውን ይሰጣል 5 6 7 8 ብዙ ጊዜ 8 ለምሳሌ ሚስ ያደርጋሉ EIGHT መሆኑን ሚሳሳቱ ይኖራሉ ማለት ነው ስለዚህ practice every day the pronunciation and the spelling of the numbers in English letters can you tell the difference between 13 and 30 በ13 እና በ30 መሃል ያለው ልዩነት ትነግሩኛላችሁ in just 50 minutes you will learn to say spell pronounce and use the English numbers 11 to 19 with confidence በልበ ሙሉነት በ15 ደቂቃ ውስጥ እነዚህን በደንብ ማስተር ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው ማንን ከ11 እስከ 19 ያሉትን ቁጥሮች ፕሮናንሴሽናቸውን ስፔሊንጋቸውን ጭምር ማስተር ታደርጋላችሁ lesson ኮንቴንቱ የትምህርቱ ይዘት learn numbers 11 to 19 ከ11 እስከ 19 ያሉትን ቁጥሮች በእንግሊዝኛ ተማሩ correct pronunciation and ስፔሊንጋቸውንና አነባበባቸውንም ደግሞ አስተካክሉ repeat after teacher ከመምህራችሁ በኋላ ደገሙት use the numbers in simple sentences ቁጥሮቹን ቀለል ባሉ አረፍተ ነገሮች ተጠቀሙ quick quiz and speaking practice quick quiz and speaking practices ፈጣን የሆኑ መልመጃዎችንና ፕራክቲሶችን ወይም ልምምዶችን ታደርጋላችሁ ስለዚህ let's continue practice 11 እንግዲህ ELEVEN ነው ይሄን ፕራክቲስ ማድረግ አለባችሁ ከአንድ እስከ 10 ያሉትን ሌሎቹን ፕራክቲስ ታደርጋችሁ 21 22 23 30 31 32 40 41 42 እያለ የሚሄደውን በቀላሉ you can master if you practice from 1 to 20 12 ለምሳሌ 12 የሚለው ብዙ ጊዜ ሊያሳስት ይችላል 12 TWELVE you have to practice this when somebody comes and write the number 12 in English you must write it easily 12 13 this is the goal of our lesson 13 14 number plus 15 16 17 18 19 example I am 15 years old I have 12 books 12 መጽሐፍቶች አሉ እኔ 15 ዓመቴ ነው ለማለት you have to write without making mistake after practicing in this lesson በዚህ lesson practice ካደረጋችሁ በኋላ እነዚህን በቀላሉ መጻፍ መቻል አለባችሁ ማለት ነው what if I told you that in just 7 days you can already introduce yourself greet people spell English words count numbers and name every day of the week but there is real question can you still remember everything እስካሁን እነዚህን የጠራኋቸውን በቀላሉ ልታስታውሱ ትችላላችሁ ወይ? Today we are putting your English to test. ለፈተና እንግዲህ ልትዘጋጁ ነው ማለት ነው። Stay until the end because you will complete a fun challenge and discover how much you have really learned. Let's begin. ምን ያህል እንደተማራችሁ በፈተና ትታያላችሁ ማለት ነው። Day of the week እነዚህን በቀላሉ ለማየት እንችላለን። Days of the week: Monday, write the spelling of Monday. Tuesday, write the spelling of Tuesday. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and the last day of the week is Sunday. The first day of the week is Monday, that we have learned. This is calendar, 7 day. You are building your future. 7 days of consistency. Stay focused, keep learning, never give up. Discipline today, success tomorrow. ዛሬ ዲሲፕሊን ካላችሁ በተከታታይ ዲሲፕሊናችሁን ጠብቃችሁ ከተማራችሁ ነገ ሰክሲድ ታደርጋላችሁ። Self introduction, repeat. Hello, my name is John. I am 20 years old. I am from Ethiopia. I like football. Nice to meet you. Hello, my name is John. I am 20 years old. I am from Ethiopia. I like to play football. Nice to meet you. Practice small conversations. Conversation 1. Teacher first or asked, hello. Student replied, hello. Teacher asked again, how are you? Student replied, I am fine. Teacher asked or said, thank you. Student replied, you are welcome. Conversation 2. Teacher said, good morning. Student replied, good morning. Teacher asked, what is your name? Student replied, my name is Sarah. Teacher said, nice to meet you. Student replied, nice to meet you too. Conversation 3. Teacher asked, where are you from? Student replied, I am from Ethiopia. Teacher asked, how old are you? Student replied, I am 24 years old. Teacher said, have a nice day. Student replied, thank you teacher, or thank you. ውድ ተመልካቾች እንግዲህ የዛሬ ትምህርታችን ይሄን ይመስል ነበር። ላይክ፣ ሼር እና ሰብስክራይብ በማድረግ የቻናል ቤተሰብ እንድትሆኑ በመጠየቅ የዛሬ ትምህርት በዚህ ላይ እናበቃለን። Thank you very much. See you in the next session.